Kindly join me again, all of you. Now, am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Our today's topic is the last grammar topic, preposition, which we are doing today. Fine. All the topic we did, it's the last topic of grammar, preposition. Today we are starting it. After that, I'll be taking your quiz and test. And one more thing, my dear students, I have asked you to read Matilda during your weekend. Did you read it? Everyone, please open camera and start giving attendance. Did you read Matilda? Because in this week, you have to write summary of Matilda. Fine. Wednesday, we will discuss Matilda more. And you have to write summary. The last worksheet you have to finish from worksheet set. Now we have completed all the worksheets in worksheet set. Clear? Any confusion in the worksheet set? The worksheet set which you received from the school, we have finished. Any confusion in that, my dear? Please open the video camera. Please do open the video, all of you. Beta, I have to start my topic. I really request everyone to open video. I really want to check, are you attentive or not? Because in this manner, you will be disturbed. And I'll be also, beta, you get the topic or you did not get the topic, please. Open the video of yours, Moise, Zayan and Asghar. Otherwise, I'm removing you.
टीचर
जी बेटे.
टीचर मैंने होमवर्क इसलिए सबमिट नहीं कराया था क्योंकि मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा था.
No matter, still you have the time to submit it. ठीक है, आपके पास आज का दिन भी है. Still you can submit it to me. I want to see all the practices, whatever you are doing, and all the assignments. From Wednesday, we will start our quiz and test. Okay? Final test, 2 tests I already have taken. More tests I'll be taking because those tests I have to include in final assessment of yours. Fine. So now, whatever test I'll be taking, you have to be very careful when you're giving the test. Fine, bete? So do carefully the next test, whatever will be doing it. Okay. I'm starting today's topic, preposition. Moiz, Amna Sheikh, shall I remove you? Moiz. Mubashir, please. Ji. I'm starting to share the screen. Look at that. I'm starting it. I'm starting the new topic and sharing the screen. Now look at that. Okay. This is our new topic and the last topic of grammar. Preposition. Anyone knows about it? What is a preposition? Okay. Give a brief review. What is a preposition in your opinion? You can unmute yourself when you are giving an answer. Please. What is a preposition? Bete, everyone should give attendance to me.
Teacher, Teacher, can I?
Ji, bete.
Teacher, a preposition is a word to connect a noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence.
Yes, very good. Ji Sinan, what is a preposition, bete? Ji Sinan, bete, tell me what is a preposition, bete? A brief review you can give with example.
Teacher, for example, is under, above.
Do let me know what is the major function of preposition, what it does. Preposition is a okay. I'm starting the topic. Fatma Mohsin, you wish to share any point? What is a preposition?
A preposition is a word that is used before a noun.
Very good. Any example, dear?
I'm going.
Okay, very good. Ji, Mubashir bete, do you know anything about this topic? Preposition.
Yes, can I?
Ji bete, wait. Let Mubashir speak first. Ji bete. Do you know anything about this topic, bete? Ji Zahid, now you share it.
Teacher, a word governing and usually preceding a noun or pronoun and expressing a relation to another word or element in the clause, as in the man on the platform.
Very good, Zahid. You are telling by yourself or looking, searching at Google? Huh? Try to share those knowledge which you already have and it's your own. Fine. Don't share in Google. Don't go and check out internet for that, please. Whatever coming in the mind, just share your own knowledge, beta, please. Try not to search in Google because I know who can do and what you can search about it. Okay? Okay, I'm starting the topic, please. Look at that. Very good example. Okay. Good effort of sharing as well. Oh, my mobile fell down. Okay. What is a preposition, beta? A preposition is a traditional word class comprising words that relate two linguistic elements to each other and that generally precede the word which they govern. In simple words, you can say preposition are the words which is placed before noun or pronoun. Where do we place preposition? Before noun or pronoun to describe its relationship with other words. You know, preposition is a bridge word. Whenever we are using it or placing it before noun or pronoun, it is describing the relation. It is working as a bridge word. Fine, for example, look at that. He sat on the chair. So here I place this simple preposition on before this noun, the chair. Fine, to create a link. It is creating link. So this on is a preposition and it is working as a bridge word. Fine, a bridge word it is on and it is creating the relationship and creating the link. Fine. Where did the person sit? He sat on the chair. कहाँ बैठा वो chair के ऊपर? ठीक है? There is some milk in the fridge. Milk कहाँ है? In the fridge. Fine. She was hiding under the table. वो कहाँ छुपी है? Under the table. ठीक है? The cat jumped off the counter. कहाँ से jumped off किया cat ने? Counter से. He drove over the bridge. उसने कहाँ से drive किया over the bridge? Okay. This is the major function and few examples of preposition, my dear. Okay. Today we will learn 3 kinds of preposition. Up till now, is it clear?
Yes.
Is this clear? Raise the hand. Raise the zoom. Use zoom option to raise the hand. Ji Mubashir. Any confusion? Shall I move forward?
Yes, Miss, helping words.
No. There is a difference between preposition and helping verb. Helping verb only supports the verb, but preposition creates link. Fine.
Yes.
Preposition does not support anyone. Helping verb we use to support only verb. And preposition is a word class parts of speech that work as a bridge word. Okay? We use preposition to write sentence in correct grammatical order. Fine. It's a part of speech. Fine. And how do we use it? We place it before noun or pronoun to create its relationship with other words. Okay? As I show an example to you as well, look at these examples. Fine. This is. Please, bete, please. The other siblings should stay away from the class. If you wish to share your, please. Now look at that. Look at that example. He sat on the chair. So the chair is a noun. And what this preposition on is doing, it is creating the relationship of this noun with this whole sentence. Fine. अब वो बैठा है, वो कहाँ बैठा है? So the chair, इसका relation जो create कर रहा है, वो कौन create कर रहा है? ये preposition on. This is creating the overall relation of the chair with this sentence. Are you getting it? Is this clear to everyone? Use Zoom option. If you understand the topic, thumbs up. If you wish to ask the question, raise the hand. Ji Abhiya Imran, unmute yourself. Abhiya, unmute yourself, speak up, bete. Did you understand the topic?
Yes, teacher, understand, teacher. From where I can get the previous topics? Some topics are in the portal, but some are not in the portal. And in the
All the topics are in the portal, my dear. Even the lectures are as well. You know, I have shared the video lecture as well. When you join, just sign into university. You can check all the recorded session. I have uploaded all the recorded session as well from 10th June. Okay? And the second thing, all the assignments are there. You can go through that. And I have uploaded the picture of all the lecture. You know, I know you will face difficulties for that. So that's why the lecture important points are there in the university. So just, you can use the magnifying glass now to view it. Just go through all the assignment, because I often shared picture of the whole lecture. Whether it's about tenses, whether it's about whatever topic we did. Like it's about parts of speech, tenses. I have shared the picture of the lecture. The main points. Okay, bete?
I will check.
Very good. Yes, Fatma Mohsin, you wish to add something, bete? Shall I move forward now?
Yes.
Okay, I'm moving forward. Now we will be doing kinds of preposition. Fine. So please, carefully you have to listen the lecture. Okay. The first preposition, the kind of preposition is simple preposition. What is a simple preposition? Simple prepositions are predominantly short words. Have, for example, for, in, down, under. These all are simple preposition. It has only one word. Fine. Under, down, at, in. Oh, these all are simple prepositions. Fine. I already have shared the example with you of simple preposition. Fine. These all are the example of simple preposition. It has only one word. Clear? Do you wish to ask any question? Raise the hand. Ji Rija bete. जी रिजा,
आपकी आवाज बहुत कट कट के आ रही है, सही नहीं आ रही.
Now am I audible to all of you? जी बेटे.
Yes.
Okay, we did only the first kind, simple preposition. It has only one word. Fine. What is a major function of preposition? Preposition is a bridge word. It creates, we place preposition before noun or pronoun to create its relationship with other words. Fine. Yes, Anaya bete, ask the question. Anaya, you are not audible to me, bete. Write message in chat. Am I audible to everyone? Raise a hand, use the Zoom option. Please thumbs up if you are able to listen to me. Abhiya, Imran, Padma, am I audible to all of you? Bete, Anaya, I'm not getting the voice of yours. Ji. Abhiya, ask the question, bete. Shall I move forward or you wish to ask? Then lower the hand. Ji, Anaya, bete. Anaya, please write the message, beta. The voice is not clear, Anaya. Acha. Beta, there is something wrong at your side now. Check the internet connection because all are getting my voice. All the students are getting it. Reja, are you getting? Am I audible to you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mubashir, beta, ask the question. जी मुबशिर बेटे,
जो आपने नीचे नहीं लिखा हुआ था, आपने इसके नीचे की थी ब्रिज वर्ड्स
जी
वो क्या है मिस?
बेटे, if each and everything whatever I'm sharing, it's about preposition. ठीक है?
Yes.
Look at that. Again, I'm sharing it. Just go through it carefully. Look at this. This in is a bridge word in the sentence. Mubashir, this you are talking about? This
Yes.
is a preposition and in the sentence it is working as a bridge word. हम इसको bridge word क्यों कहते हैं? Why am I saying it? Because the reason is that we are placing preposition before noun or pronoun. हम कहाँ place करते हैं? Noun और pronoun से पहले. Preposition की जगह क्या है बेटे? क्या placement है? We place it before noun or pronoun to create the relationship with other words. देखिए अब ये noun का relation किससे create कर रहा है? Karachi is connected and the in is creating the link now here with the whole sentence. Where is my house? In Karachi. So this in is describing more about creating the link. ठीक है? Is that clear, Mubashir?
Yes, miss.
Okay. This is simple preposition. It has only one word. ठीक है? The example of simple preposition are these: in, on, under, off, and over. These all are simple preposition. Fine.
इसको पूरा सेंटेंस ब्रिज वर्ड कहते हैं.
See, beta, these all are the sentences. In that I had used the red color. Will tell you that these are preposition. Look at the sentences.
Yes, miss.
Fine. I prominent it to make you understand. That's why I've changed the font color to make you understand that. Like on, in, under, off, over are the preposition in these sentences. And these are simple preposition. Fine. Now I'm moving forward. The second kind of preposition is a double preposition. Fine. What is a double preposition? Double preposition is made by combining two preposition.
While.
Look at that. Double prepositions is a preposition. How do we create it? By joining two prepositions together. How many? Two prepositions, like out of, inside, in, to. Fine. These all are double preposition. when we join two prepositions, two simple prepositions together, like in to, there are two prepositions. When we join it, it creates double preposition. Fine. The example of that, I place money into my pocket. अब मैंने पैसे कहाँ रखे? मेरी जेब के अंदर, मेरी पॉकेट के अंदर. So here I have used two prepositions together. More example of double preposition are these. Look at that. These all are double preposition. Inside, outside, into, onto, upon, up to, within, without. These all are example of double preposition. Ji, Mubashir, unmute yourself.
जी मिस.
The topic is clear to all of you?
Yes.
What is a double preposition? When we join two simple prepositions together. Fine.
Yes.
One preposition, second preposition. When we join together and use it in a sentence. Okay? Fine. I'm playing outside the home. Okay? The toy is inside the box. Not only in. अगर मैं in कहती तो it's mean कि वो box close नहीं है. अब मैं inside कह रही हूँ it's mean वो box के अंदर है. And box is closed right now. समझ रहे हैं आप? ठीक है. Now look at more examples. Outside the house lies a beautiful garden. घर के बाहर क्या है? Beautiful garden. It is up to you as to find a way out. The dog jumped onto the bed. Once upon a time, there lived a king. Fine. These all are simple preposition and double preposition, sorry. Is that clear to everyone? Definitely, beta, I'll be sharing it more. Ji, up till now, is that clear to everyone? Use Zoom option to raise the hand. Okay, I'm moving further. Look at that. Okay, look at the third kind, compound preposition. What is a compound preposition? It is consisting of 2 or 3 words. Fine, but all are not preposition. Fine. It is consist of more than 2 words. Fine, but all the words are not preposition. The difference of compound and double prepositions is that double preposition, in double preposition we have 2 simple prepositions together. We join it. But in compound preposition, we join one preposition and the other words. Fine, for example, according to, as of, because of, in addition to, in front of. अब देखिए आप because of, because क्या है conjunction है. लेकिन जब हम इसको of के साथ join करते हैं, so what do we get? We get compound preposition. ठीक है? So this is the major difference between compound preposition or double preposition. Double preposition में हम 2 preposition को join करते हैं, but compound preposition में हम 2 words को join करते हैं. It's in compound preposition we have joined 2 words together. Now look at the example. I gave the company tour on behalf of my manager. In addition to Sarah, we have 5 vice presidents in our company. Because of my positive attitude, Mary chose me as a group leader. So this is all. These all are the examples of compound preposition. Okay. Do you wish to ask any question, my dear? The time is also about to end. Only 2 minutes are left. Raise hand if you wish to ask the question. Ji Mubashir bete. Quickly raise the hand. Ji bete. Abhiya, ask the question.
Teacher means compound preposition. Teacher, compound preposition, what is it?
Then we join 2 words together. One is preposition and other is not preposition. So in this manner, we create compound preposition. Fine. जी बेटे
If compound prepositions जो दो लग से मिले.
जी when we join two words and those words related to other parts of speech. ठीक है, अब जो दो वर्ड आप ज्वाइन करेंगे it will be related to other parts of speech. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसकी कैटेगरी नाउन भी हो सकती है, उसकी कैटेगरी वर्ब भी हो सकती है, उसकी कैटेगरी कंजक्शन भी हो सकती है. फाइन. जी any other question my dear? Tomorrow we'll continue it more. You have to share examples with me. Definitely student, you have to do practice of simple, double and compound preposition. You have to practice this today. Wednesday we'll be having discussion day about Matilda and I'll be taking quiz about it. Fine. So any problem and any confusion in this topic? Jirija has the question.
Understand double preposition होगा ना?
Again repeat the question बेटे.
Understand double preposition.
Understand एक proper vocab है. Understand preposition नहीं है. ठीक है?
Teacher, when will be the test will held?
I'll be telling the date to you. To university, I'll be assigning a test to you. ठीक है? अब बेटे आप ऐसे वर्ड्स को वर्ड्स के साथ ज्वाइन करके जब वर्ड क्रिएट करते हैं जिनकी ऑर्गन डिफरेंट होती है तो वो तो एक कंप्लीट वर्ड रूट वर्ड और वर्ड्स होंगे. आप उसमें से गो थ्रू नहीं कीजिए. दोस आर नॉट प्रीपोजिशन. ठीक है बेटे?
सही चलेगा.
फाइन. अब मैं कह दूं इररिस्पांसिबल. इसमें इररिस्पांसिबल में इर जो है वो प्रीपोजिशन नहीं है, वो प्रीफिक्स है. ठीक है? It has different function. Anyone else wish to ask any question, my dear? Ji Mubashir bete. You have to observe the sentence carefully when you justifying the preposition, my dear. Every single word has a function. Fine. Tomorrow I'll be sharing a category of simple sentences with you. Fine. Like what are the ingredients of sentences? How do we create a simple sentence? And what are the ingredients? Ingredients means जैसे आप खाना पकाते हैं आपको रेसिपी की जरूरत पड़ती है ना, इस तरह सेंटेंस के लिए आपको स्ट्रक्चर की जरूरत पड़ती है. We do follow the formula. ठीक है? हम इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे कल. Is that clear everyone? ठीक है? So do practice more and more, and inshallah tomorrow we'll be studying the ingredients of sentences. ठीक है? Okay. Take good care of yourself. Smile. Fatma, you wish to ask something? पूछिए बेटे.
बस underneath preposition है.
जी बेटे. Mara, you wish to ask something? The worksheet set is completed. Any question from that? Summary you will be writing after reading that. Fine. Only one grammar topic is left, that is sentence and its kind and descriptive writing. ठीक है बेटे? Okay, Allah Hafiz everyone. Do practice and submit an assignment on time to me. Use Zoom option to show thumbs up that you understand the today's topic. All of you, with a good smile. Show a good smile as well. Okay, thank you.